फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग एडुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे नर्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप एंड द गोल ऑफ नर्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप एंड सम अदर टॉपिक्स। तो चलिए सबसे पहले देखते हैं व्हाट इज नर्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप। NPR is a planned purposeful interaction between two human beings. First is nurse and the second one is patient. In this relationship, the nurse use personal attribute and clinical techniques in working with patient to bring insight and behavior change. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फैक्टर डिटरमाइनिंग नर्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप। फर्स्ट, रिपार्ट। रिपार्ट इज ए रिलेशनशिप और कम्युनिकेशन विद द पेशेंट. इट इंक्लूड acceptance and willingness to involve with the patient. Second, mutual understanding and the growth. And the third is ability to treat another as equal to sympathic. These are the some factor which includes in report. This is the first factor which determines the nurse patient relationship. Next, second factor is warmth. This is the ability to make the patient feel comfortable. It shows acceptance of patient as a unique individuals and willingness to be involved with patient. And the third is trust. Trust is the firm belief in honesty, integrity, reliability, and justice of another person without fear of outcomes. Trust is based upon constancy rather than capability. These are the some factors which determines the nurse-patient relationship. First one is report, next one is warmth, and the third one is trust. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे गोल ऑफ NPR, गोल ऑफ नर्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप. फर्स्ट, टू इंक्रीज द पेशेंट सेल्फ स्टीम्स एंड प्रमोट ए पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट एंड सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी टू द पेशेंट. नेक्स्ट, to gain the depth assessment to provide individuals care and identify health needs. And the third one is to assisting the patient in improving communication skills with participating comfortably with another person. And the last one is to decrease the patient anxiety to a minimum. These are the goal of nurse patient relationship. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे रोल ऑफ नर्स इन पेशेंट टीचिंग. फर्स्ट, द रोल ऑफ नर्स is to support the patient to become independent in self-care activity, so that while teaching the nurse should have to reminder these things. First, identify learning issue prior to teaching, such as hearing, vision, age related problem, literacy level of the patient. Second, the teaching aid should have simple language and illusion means in explanation. Third, teaching should be flexible and should be accommodated as per patient need. And the fourth one is while planning the find out patient's socio-cultural and health practice. And the fifth one is speak clearly. Sixth one is use simple word and ask open-ended questions. Seventh is teach the patient when he or she is most ready and likely to be learn anything, but means when the patient is in proper mood, comfortable feel. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे another factors. Eighth one is assist the patient to learn and understand the information at his own rate and pace. Invite the patient to ask any question. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे पर्पस ऑफ द हेल्थ असेसमेंट. फर्स्ट, पर्पस ऑफ हेल्थ असेसमेंट इज टू एस्टेब्लिश ए डाटाबेस फॉर द क्लाइंट्स नॉर्मल एबिलिटी, रिस्क फैक्टर एंड एनी करेंट अल्टरनेशन इन फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट पर्पस पढ़ेंगे टू प्लान स्ट्रेटजी टू इंकरेज कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ हेल्दी पैटर्न्स, prevent potential health problems and alleviate or manage existing health problem of the patient. Next, to provide a holistic view of the client. Fourth one is to formulate a conclusion or a problem statement such as nursing diagnostic. and the fifth one is to provide an essential function for the care of the client. Next one is to identify and manage a variety of patient problem. Seventh one is to elevate the effectiveness of nursing care. Eighth one is to enhance the nurse-patient relationship, and the last one is to make clinical judgment. So आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा पर्पस ऑफ द हेल्थ असेसमेंट, नेक्स्ट रोल ऑफ नर्स पेशेंट टीचिंग, and then next is goal of nurse patient relationship, and at first nurse patient relationship. These are the some important topic in fundamental of nursing. थैंक यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.